What is going on, guys?
Let's get to it!
Yeah, Rish power. It's your boy Rish, your favorite TSX community YouTuber, man. You guys been saying that a lot, so hey, why not, you know, mention the title. You feel me? I didn't fully take out the rack and pinion yet. It's out. I think I have to drop the subframe a little bit just so I could have enough room to pull it down and out. I did do a poll this morning saying if I should just rebuild my current motor. Trying to get parts and sourcing a motor right now, it's been kind of tough because either things get sold like ASAP or people don't respond or the listing's still up and it's been sold. Shit like that. I'm not seeing anything new around me. What should I do while I'm in the motor, my current one? Because I'm going to rebuild it since I have the spare crank, but I don't want to fully build it. I just want to drive it. I want to get this SI training shit done with the Accord casing, LSD, all that fun stuff. Just fix up my motor, you know, maybe do a little upgrades with the bearings and pistons or something, you know. For now, just send it. Eventually build one on the side, build for boost, whatever. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and let's get this show on the road. She's over here washing the car while I'm about to start some stuff. It's a nice day out. So I have it all out right here. What people do is they come over here and drop the rear a little bit. Should maybe give it enough room. So yeah, let's get to it, folks.
Let's get to it!
Well, guys, I'm in a annoying situation right now. Forget the COVID this time. If you guys can tell, pretty fucking annoyed right now. Almost got this shit caught on again because, you know, the person behind the camera. So it started with that. It was just in between. It was real close. And then the two bolts snapped. I'm over here fighting with trying to get this rack and pinion out. Once you get frustrated, things aren't really going as planned. You're starting to use anger and too much force with trying to just forcefully do things. Take a break, chillax, go smoke, go eat something, go for a walk. Fucking do something. Just relax, take your break. Come back the next day or something. I kind of snapped the second one out of frustration a little bit, but then again, it was just rusted as fuck. I was going back and forth trying to play with it and make it work, but still fucking snapped regardless. Some things you just can't help and you're just gonna have to fix and make better, so yeah. I'm gonna have to go to Harbor Freight, get a bunch of stuff like drills and drill bits, drill that out, some nuts and screws, a bunch of shit, guys. So that being said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the cam. Rish is out. What is poppin', y'all? Hopping in the car right now. About to go to Chuck and Eddie's in Southington or something like that. Pick up this Accord 5-speed transmission. It is from a 07 Honda Accord. Had 143,000 miles, so it was tested and it was good and whatnot. I just need the casing, but maybe I could sell the internals too. Gonna go pick that shit up right now. They're supposed to call you when it's ready. Put a deposit down and all that, but you know, they don't like money sometimes. People don't like money. Same thing with this engine situation. Same guy as last time that a buddy sent me a picture of the motor. He sent me a listing on Instagram from Facebook, and it's the same dude that I checked out last time that had like multiple TSXs, but you know, some guy from Philly was coming and he was like complaining about not wanting to hold it for people and people not, you know, coming and this and that. He was supposed to call me after 9:30 to let me know. They didn't let me know. I called him 4 times since then until like 1 o'clock. Did not answer. Left a voicemail. Didn't reply. We're on our way to Chuck and Eddie's. Buy this Accord transmission. Really just need the casing. Give you more updates whenever I think something's updatable. So, peace. We made it! So yeah, let me go inside and see what the fuck is good, and I'll be back soon. This to be a mugshot. We're at 351. Those taxes and the core deposit. But yeah, I'm pulling up over there. I went to Harbor Freight the other day and today. Picked up some stuff, much needed stuff. But the drill bits I bought were not made for metal, I guess. I don't fucking know. Bought the hacksaw shit so I could chop off this control arm on this car, and just some more, you know, sockets and needed things. So I'm gonna go put this inside, then I'll grab that train. All right. Had my taco shits. Clean off a bit. Yeah, Rish power. Whew. My back already hurts, so that didn't feel too great. But, so guys, yeah, as you've seen, I have the Accord casing now. Now I possibly have to buy sync rows and the LSD. Then we can put this together. Yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I really appreciate you guys supporting and following along the build and the rebuild. My big ass still out of breath. The next video, I'm gonna continue with tearing down that Accord transmission. Rack and pinions coming soon. A couple more things, guys. I just try to keep the parts flowing. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Good vibes as always, and more love, more videos. There's always more to come. Have a good one, guys.